Okay, good afternoon, sir.
Good afternoon, Brother Kenneth.
Good afternoon, everyone. First and foremost, I must say thank you. Even though I think it was on Friday, I was like, commented, this man did not read my message. Why? He didn't read my comments. Why? But then it's fine. Okay. Yeah, let me just go by the guideline that says a kickstart. Yeah. It says, what has the learning experience been like for you personally? It has been a very great one. Honestly, I've always seen data's visualization and others, and it wasn't a funny one. When I see them, I'm like, what kind of magic brain do these people have? Though I'm an IT support specialist, but what kind of brain do these people have? Come on. Ah, I troubleshoot things now, but when it comes to seeing data, figures, and all these things, how do they go about it? So the first day you drop, when I got to the level 3 and I saw that big data, I was like, honestly, I had this touch of headache. I said, how do we start this? Okay, let's see the magic. And until like, okay, do this, do this, do this, and this is, I was like, so it is this easy, you know? And before now, I had this link I saw one time on LinkedIn. I like, okay, let me just follow it. Truth be told, I have that full course downloaded and everything. They're just on my hard drive on my TV. One time I tried to study, but it was like these guys are doing magic. Let me just leave it. But funnily enough, until I stumble, I was still telling my colleague today in the office. I said, thank you, because I saw the ad on his WhatsApp status, and I decided to give it a try. And that trial is now sounding like, I don't know another word I can use. The trial is becoming more convincing than just saying I'm trying this out, but then the trial becomes something I actually fell in love with. And I must say, well done, sir. So for me personally, it has been a very, very great one. Now my mindset and confidence change, the change, the shifts in that change was not funny. Before now, I tell people around me, like, don't worry. As analyst, you have to you have to analyze this, you have to do this, do this. Today, I cannot tell people that don't worry. I can analyze, don't worry. I can even put it to you in spreadsheets. Now, your biggest aha moment and breakthrough during the training, yes. Pivot. I used to hear of that word, pivot, like you pronounce it. I used to hear that word, pivot. This thing, it looks like magic. Especially when I was watching it then on YouTube, like, how do they do this now? But I met somebody that actually took us by the hand, intentionally made mistake, and said this mistake was intentional because I knew you will make the mistake, and if it's a live class, you will ask questions. So let me go back and correct it. And that happens to be you, Mr. Bing. I won't say thank you. The aha moment was not funny. Like the first one was when I first saw the data, the data itself, and we were so scattered. And how are we going to sort this out? That headache. But when he just said, okay, click here and then click on this, I light on everything, and everything became arranged. I was like, just like that, you know. So that was my first aha moment until the dashboard was fully cooked. I was when I finished the cooking, I just dropped part of it on my status. And a friend saw it. I was like, "Guy, leave data analysis for us now. You don't see your own come this side again. How far? Leave this thing for us." I was like, notice I know you are going to sabi this thing. I don't get person they carry me for hand though I've not met with him, but I know one day pay to bring everybody together and I will have to shake your hands in person, not virtually. Anyway, I want to say well done. What did you love most about the instructor teaching style? Like I said last week, Wednesday, during the online meeting, that was it. I think I started that same Wednesday too because I didn't start on time and the teaching style was fantastic. Not even was, it's fantastic. Honestly, if there's any other thing I can use to qualify it, I don't know if that English will ever exist, but it was fantasmaglorious. That's just all I have to say. What will you miss hearing or experiencing in class? The only thing I would just miss hearing or experiencing in class, I know you always ask, But let me just tell you. And the encouragement as well. It's not about the money. Like I was telling somebody, it's not about the money. You just I have in my quest for knowledge and others, I have met instructors, and all they give you is dashboard. They just show you screen, testimonial, this one do this one. But yours was not like that. I must say, in all, I must say thank you. And my feedback and thought to share to loved ones is consistency is a thing that everybody should try to practice. Consistency and patience. You have taught us not just in class, but your personality also speaks that no, this man can be patient. Because it only takes a patient person to take somebody from 0 level to this level of dashboard. And I must say, well done, and I'm encouraged to even share it to someone else. A colleague of mine was telling me this morning, probably I should come and take him. I just look and return, Mr. Bengasi will charge you, but don't worry, I won't charge yet. but then, I must say, well done, and thank you very much. We look forward to the Go High Level Pro class. And one thing I've told myself, if we can do this in 1 week, then I think we will do more in the Go High Level. So once more, thank you very much. I remain Kenneth, and hope to see us again in future.
This can